Hello and welcome to the operators lecture. So in this operators we'll learn three operator: is null, like, and order by. Okay, so is null is basically to check whether that field is null. Okay, if it is null, you're saying if the field is null, then fetch this record. You can even say that if the field is not null, don't fetch the record. Order by is basically sorting. You can sort descending and ascending. And like is like your condition, like this value. I want to search all the field names that's starting with J, something like that. You want to apply that like, and then you want to do a while character search into your data, then you can use the like. So is null is to check whether any field is empty, or you can fetch based on this saying that not empty. Like is like a search. You can issue a search command based on wildcard characters and say what pattern you're matching in the data. Fetch this record that match this pattern. And order by is for sorting, for descending and ascending. All right, so how to apply this, you can say select asterisk from student where this name is not null. Okay, when this not null, it will fetch the records. You can even say select asterisk from student where student name like J percentage. So all that have J in it, then basically starts with J, and it will fetch all those records for you. Similarly, you can say order by, and you can say order by this field name. So if you go to your SQL here, and let's say you fetch the records, right? Here you say, it's sorting by, want to sort by designation, right? So you go back. You say order by designation. Okay, let's add order by, right? Okay, so you see HR came up first. You're basically sorting it, right? You're sorting it to say order by this designation. Okay, go back here. You can say descending order. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to say go. Then HR will come down. This is that was previously was ascending. This is descending. All right. So let's say you want to search all the field names, all the name that is like, J. Do a percentage here, right? Where name like starting with J. Right, you can see the name is starting with J. The another field name, the another name was ignored because not starting with J. All right, so you can play around with this. So you have three types: is null, order by, and like, and you can play around with it. So these are called as operators, using which you can apply some conditions to filter your data from the database. All right, so that's all for this lecture, and I'll see you in the next one.